Pixel 7 official teaser is out, and this is how the phone will look like. I mean, this is already what we have seen so far with the design, but what if I say we get the internal details of the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, which will help you decide whether to go for the Pixel 7 Pro or not. This is the another glimpse of the upcoming Pixel 7 Pro, where we will see all the three color: Obsidian, Snow, and Hazel. The video doesn't show much, but what the most important thing is internals, and the internals of the Pixel 7 Pro will definitely worth checking, where this time we might see a camera update on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The major update we will see in its front camera. On the Pixel 7 Pro, we'll see an 11 megapixel selfie shooter which will bring autofocus with Samsung 3J1 sensor. But a good news for the people who like taking pictures on the telephoto camera, because we will going to see a new sensor in it. The camera will be the 48 megapixel, but the new sensor is Samsung G1 instead of Samsung IMX586. The main shooter will remain the same, 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel ultra wide. You guys might be shocked, but Pixel 7 was listed on Amazon, and you guys should be excited since a lot is out. And if you do get excited, why not subscribe to this channel? The pricing and whatnot is out for the Pixel 7, where Google is beating the competitors by giving the same price as the last year, $599 for base model and $699 for 256 gigs version. Both versions will come with 8 gigs of RAM, and if you need a 12 gigs of RAM, then Pixel 7 Pro will be the best option for you. A sad news I want to share with you: the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro might come with the only two versions, 128 gigs or 256 gigs. No 512 gigs or 1TB version, which is a bit unusual since 512 gigs is a basic mark for the smartphones these days, and even last year Pixel 6 Pro brings 512 gig storage, and this also confirms the release date, which is October 13, but Google will unveil the Pixel 7 Pro on October 6, and pre-orders will start from the same day. You might get some gift if you pre-order Pixel 7 and 7 Pro from the Target. The new Tensor Gen2 chipset is one of the major updates we might see in the Pixel 7 Pro, which will be 4nm instead of 5nm Gen 1, but don't expect big numbers from the CPU. Instead, Google is improving the GPU and the machine learning to improve the performance of both Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. This will surely not a big beast when it comes to overall performance, instead providing the best user experience. The display will quite similar what we have seen on the Pixel 6 Pro, 6.7 inches 120Hz LTPO display and 6.3 inches 90Hz on Pixel 7, but the Pixel 7 Pro display will be slightly less curvy as compared to the last generation. The battery is something Google should do about, and we are getting the slightly bigger battery on the Pixel 7, 4700 mAh, but the bigger brother will get the same battery, 5000 mAh, and as per rumors, the new Tensor Gen2 chipset is more power efficient, so we might see a better battery backup on the both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. If you're still thinking, okay, Tensor Gen2 chipset is getting a new GPU update, but how much powerful will it be? Then you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.